Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a stock that is about to go parabolic very, very soon and why you should keep it on your watch list. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of this morning's pre-market analysis video right after the intro. So we had a very interesting day today. All right. The market kind of went sideways, but honestly, I'm not bearish just yet. I think it has one more green day before we see some type of pullback. I'm not bearish on this yet. Okay. So I'm definitely gonna have to follow up on this one in the morning's video. But the stock that all of you are looking at on the thumbnail, that stock is GME. All right. And GME, the reason why I want to talk about this one so much is because if you look at it on the daily time frame, the stock went from $2 all the way up to $45, right? And I'm pretty sure a lot of people, a lot of y'all in the comment section have been asking about this, trying to short this, trying to fight this. And honestly, I don't think that's the best move. And the way it's looking right now, I think it might have one more day of just squeezing shorts, maybe even two. All right, maybe even two. There was a lot of drama in the news section about Citron, about one of their people named Andrew leaving a lot of stuff, and it was just a mess. Like if you look at it on the 5-minute chart, right, it was just wild whipsaw. A wild whipsaw. Longs got trapped, shorts got trapped, everybody got trapped, right? But overall, it seems like, to me, in my eyes, in my very honest opinion, I think we're gonna go parabolic. And this video is not so like all of you can chase. This is not that type of video. My plan for this one is to let it go parabolic. Is to let this thing go parabolic all the way up to $50, maybe even $60, and then short it down. All right. So definitely keep this one on your watch list for a potential short. You don't want to be chasing something that has gone up so much. You want to make money on this thing the easy way, which is to just let this thing just fly up to the sky and then just catch it at the top and make money as it drops, right? As gravity just pulls the stock down. Just make money as it drops, kind of like what we're doing right now with Riot and all BTC related stocks. Just like that, all right? So definitely keep that one on your watch list for a potential short after the squeeze. Okay, now the next one that we'll be talking about in this video, this is another stock that is also about to go parabolic. It's parabolic now, but I think it needs like just a little extra boost to like really create that euphoria that we want, right? Really create that euphoria. And that stock is SunPower. And I talked about SunPower, I believe it was on the 19th. I talked about this stock after when I released, it was this video right here, this one. I talked about it and I told y'all that this is not done yet because short sellers who are in here are trapped. And that is exactly what it did. It just squeezed all of them all the way out to the top. Congratulations to anybody who have been making money on this on the way up. I'm interested in making money on this thing on the way down. Again, I'm a short seller. I know. Again, this video is really for short sellers. Short sellers are really gonna like this video. So watch this thing for one more boost up. I think it has one more day in it. One more day, and I personally would like to short it at 50. I told all of you in that previous video that I want to short it at 50, maybe a little higher. But if it can get there just either tomorrow or Monday, that would be fantastic for me. All right, so keep that one on your watch list as well for a very parabolic extended move, which is what we want as short sellers. So yeah, now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. The very first one that we're going to be talking about in this video, that stock is Fubo. All right, and Fubo also had a very parabolic day. nice money to be made on the drop, right? Now, a lot of you have been asking about this stock because of what is going on here. It kind of trapped short sellers over here at the bottom, squeezed them out, and then kind of gave them another opportunity for these short sellers. All right, these short sellers were over here, give them another opportunity to get out, and all of them are literally covering right now. And honestly, I think the stock might go up just for one more day before it goes sideways. Yeah, that's my very honest opinion on that one. I wouldn't short this thing for sure. And there was also some news, some drama in the news section regarding Citron again, right? That one of their people, so one guy named Andrew, apparently is long on this, and then the stock goes wild. But again, this is just focus on the technicals here. I think this one is gonna go up just a bit more. All right, I can see this thing at $40 easily. If not by Friday, then probably by Monday. I'm not bearish on it. It had its drop, and short sellers are taking their money. They're taking their cuts. So watch this one for a potential long as well within the next few days. Now, the next one that we're going to be talking about, somebody asked about Dropbox. So let's talk about Dropbox. Dropbox currently, after its run, I told y'all that I wanted to see this thing at $20, at $20 to $21. It's currently sitting at $22. It's been trying really hard to hold that level. And I don't think that level is going to hold for too long. I think it's going to drop just a bit. I think buyers, people who want to buy the stock for a much better deal, they want this thing to drop. And the lower it drops, the more they get interested in buying up the stock and creating some kind of like dip over here with some consolidation. And then we follow by a run, right? A run back up after the buyers accumulate at the lows. Dropbox is not a trashy company. It's a reputable company. If you look at it on the monthly is not bad. It's really not bad. Like, there is a lot of investors loading up the boat on here, just loading up on the stock for that move. So just keep that one in your watch list for sure. Long term, I'm not bearish on this one. Short term, I think it's gonna go just a little bit lower. Just a little bit, all right? Just a little bit. So keep that one on your watch list for sure. Now, the next one that we will be covering in this video, that stock had a lot of hype throughout the few weeks. And I talked about this thing a few times. Actually, once or twice. I talked about this once or twice. When we were over here. We were over here, right there on the first. And then I talked about it again somewhere over here. But hey, the point of this video is this stock is actually gonna go parabolic. Long story short, there is a bullish harami on the chart here, right? And this thing is the result of the breakout of that flag, and it's going up even higher and higher. And honestly, I said it before, like I wouldn't think about shorting this until it gets to like 15 or 16 bucks. I said that before, and so far it's moving quite well. Now, regarding short selling it, I honestly I wouldn't recommend it. Like, I don't think it will be dragged down that much. The pullback will not be that drastic. I think it's just gonna be a steady rise up. All right, just a steady rise up, and then maybe some minor pullbacks along the way. So that's my very honest opinion of that one. Am I bullish on it? Yeah, I would not short this at all. I really wouldn't. So yeah, keep this one on your watch list as well. Now, the next one that I'm going to address is Intel. And Intel had a phenomenal day. I talked about this when we were way at the bottom, and it went all the way up to $58. And if you look at it right now, hopefully none of you were greedy. Hopefully all of you who got into this, right, going long, did not hold through earnings. Again, on this channel, I specifically say do not hold anything through earnings. Sometimes you can get lucky. I know a lot of y'all got lucky with Netflix, right? Congratulations again. But usually things don't end well, and the reaction is not what you expect usually. All right, so I can tell you with 100% certainty that everybody who bought calls and didn't sell over here officially lost all of their money. Like, especially those individuals who bought YOLO calls. YOLO calls that expire tomorrow. Those options went to exactly $0.00. This is not good. All right, there is literally zero hope for this stock, and obviously I think it's gonna open up and then just like this is just gonna be a straight flush all the way down to probably like $58, maybe even $57. So keep that one in your watch list for a potential short. Intel has the tendency to do this all the time. Like it has the tendency to run up, right? Cause a lot of hype right before earnings, and then they release earnings, and then it immediately just get annihilated, and it's really sad. It really is. So hopefully none of y'all were greedy and held on to this one. Alright, y'all. Do not forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm as always. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and also on that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on these post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon, and the pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul and Guma and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. Also, for all of you who are new, for all of the beginners out there who are looking to get started, I left some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 through step 4. It only takes about 15 minutes or less to get signed up with all the tools you need to get started trading today. You can also get 3 free stocks after signing up with Webull using my very first link in the description below, and 1 free stock after signing up with Robinhood using my second link in the description below as well. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video tomorrow morning at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens. Enjoy the outro.